Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's Twin Nails Arts and Crafts Gallery, a channel whereby we do pottery work, bead making, art and crafts, drawing and painting, and much more. And you'll be entertained with some singing of some sorts. So today we're gonna make some anime girl, a drawing of a girl. So stay tuned as I take you through the process. So I have my tools here. I have my pencils, sharpened pencils. I have my drawing pad. I'm just gonna start off by making a line. So I'm gonna attempt to draw this. So I'm gonna using my mini drawing pad. I'm just gonna make a line in the middle of my pad. So let's start, guys. Among the gods, who is like you, sovereign Lord of the universe, gracious and holy, truly wonderful is Jehovah. Among the gods, who is like you, sovereign Lord of the universe, all gracious and holy, truly wonderful is my God. Among the gods, So guys, we are done. Girl, our name. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Until then, it's a goodbye from me to you. Bye.